ang laki ng companies dito pinag-uusapan. Why not, acquire good people, magagaling, matatalino, para gawin ito technically?
Glenn, honestly,
Yes.
my recommendation to them, and I'm not the regulator ha, ang biro ko nga kanina sa kanila sa taas, that room has seen hundreds of foundations, people's organizations, but now it's seeing more transpo group than in its entire life. Follow the law. You know, saan to nagsimula, di ba? Nagsimula to nung dagdag sila ng dagdag ng mga driver beyond their limits. As Congressman Miro Kimbo, if I can borrow his statement in the lead committee, there's regulatory failure that is now affecting humanitarian action. Nung una, nagkubli sila ng listahan. Tandaan nyo, nung una kami pumunta, 20,000 lang yan. Pagpunta namin doon, pag payout namin, dinumog kami ng galit. Nakita nyo yun mismo. Wala kami sa list, wala kami sa list. So tinanong namin, bakit ba wala sila sa list? Yung pala, may mga tempo driver sila na itinago, pero nasa network nila. Walang mga CPC, pero nasa network nila. So I think it all boils down to follow the law. Follow the regulation. Kaya tayo nagkabuhol-buhol because they were trying to keep details from us eh. And before they knew it, like you said, they got too competitive. Yung drivers, nag-aagawan na sila, so and so forth. But I leave that to the regulators.